Your business knows no borders. Your trucks are on the move across Europe every day. But are they ready for future? By August 19th, 2025, all cross-border fleets must be retrofitted with the Smart Tachograph Generation 2 version 2. No exceptions, no delays. The EU is taking this seriously. Without the new tachograph, high fines per vehicle and potential immobilization may follow. myVDO Fleet Solution is ready to help with Smart Tachograph version 2 DTCO 4.1a. The new legislation mainly affects vehicles registered between 2019 and 2023. How to check if your vehicle requires a retrofit. Press on your tachograph. OK. Print, vehicle, technical printout. Confirm with OK. If the software version starts with V40, a replacement with V41, DTCO 4.1 or higher is required. Save time and money while avoiding last-minute workshop bottlenecks by using your regular tachograph inspection to complete the retrofit. myVDO Fleet helps you stay compliant while optimizing efficiency, offering a central platform for downloads, reports, real-time data, and intelligent fleet management. Retrofit now and keep your business on the road.